this is my full process on how I made my 3D can animation. My first project was my donut that I learned from Blender Guru, and it's really helped me a lot. Then the first thing I did was I made my sketch. After making my sketch, it helped me have an idea of what I wanted, but not like the full picture. My sketch helped me like understand what I wanted. After my sketching, I started modeling my can. I brought in a picture reference that helps me model the can. Then after modeling the can, I started making my label inside Photoshop. I made one label, then changed the colors with a hue and saturation because I wanted it to be 3. Though you can make the hue and saturation in Blender, but at this point I was still learning, and that was how I thought that I can make it. And after making my label and exporting it, I wrapped my label around my 3D can inside Blender. I made this one after the other because I duplicated it into 3 and I had 3 labels, so I had to wrap it around the 3 cans. Then I now entered the animation. The animation was where I made it into 4 parts. I made the first part, second part, just like in my previous video. I made it into 4 parts. And after my animation, I added the water droplets. Though the water droplets supposed to come before my animation, but when I added it, because of the geometric notes, it was really heavy that my Blender could not carry it. So I made the animation and added my water droplets. When I was making my water droplets, I realized that I had to use geometric notes. Even when I was learning my tutorial on donuts by Blender Guru, I met floating particles and I was not really a fan of it, though I had to do it because that was what my 3D can wanted. After my water droplets, I rendered it, of course, with cycles, and I rendered it as a single EXR, as a single picture. After rendering it out, I imported it into the video editor in Blender, where I combined the 4 animations that I made, and later I finally used CapCut for finishing touches. So this was how I made my 3D can, though it looks small, but that was behind the scenes of everything I encountered. Hopefully I'm going to make another thing next, but I don't really know what I'm going to make next, so follow for more.